Hello guys, kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipain na rin yung tiny bell button dun sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito kay Jong Madaliday and Arabel de la Cruz deliver a grand champion worthy performance sa The Clash 2025. Sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood tong final performance nila. Kaya i-play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3. Go. Tara, play na natin. So, ito na. Final one-on-one. Ganda ni Aravel, no? Actually, lahat sila sobrang galing nila, no?
I used to think that I could not go on.
Oh my goodness. Ang ganda ng boses niya, no?
That life was nothing but an awful song.
Wow.
But now I know the meaning of true love.
Galing.
I'm leaning on the everlasting arms.
Wow.
If I can see it,
Galing.
then I can do it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to it.
Another ko na naman to, gem ng GMA, no? Ang ganda ng boses eh.
I believe I can touch the sky. Think about it every night and day.
Wow.
Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. I see me running through that open door. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. 'Cause I believe in me.
Galing.
And I believe in him.
Ooh. Oh, napaka-powerful nun. Ooh. Grabe. Wow. Ang galing. Wow. Grabe. Taas nun. Ang galing ni Aravel, no? Ang hirap pumili, no, kung sino talaga yung mananalo. Actually, lahat naman talaga sila. Sobrang deserve nila na manalo. Di ba? Lahat eh. Walang pwedeng itapon eh. Si Jong na.
This all or nothing really got away, you driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold.
Galing
It's
talaga ni Jong.
easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain, but now the day bleeds.
Wow. Ang galing.
You're not here to keep me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love, and I still close my eyes when it hurts sometimes. I fall into your arms.
I love you, Jong. Ang galing mo.
But now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love.
Galing, 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 galing.
But now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love.
Wow. Sobrang galing.
Clash Nation, may we present to you singing for the first time as the Clash 2025 Grand Champion, Joe Madalita!
Madalitay! Congratulations, Jong. Grabe, another ko na naman gem ng GMA. No, alagaan nyo to GMA. Sobrang galing talaga ni Jong. Actually, lahat sila, no? Sobrang gagaling nilang lahat, no? Ang ganda ng boses. Anyways, congratulations sa lahat. Lahat kayo ay sobrang galing.
Somebody to hold, somebody to have,
Diba?
somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you know the pain. But now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love.
Galing. Sobrang galing. Sobrang galing. Congrats, Jong. Congrats, the Clashers. Wow. Ganda ng version niya, no? Sobrang binibigyan niya talaga ng panibagong timpla. Look, sobrang galing. Ang galing niya mag-deliver ng emosyon, eh.
I was getting kinda used to being someone you love.
Wow, wow, wow. Congratulations ulit kay Jong. Galing-galing. Sobrang deserve mo yan. Sobrang deserving mo yung title na yan. GMA, baka naman alagaan niyo po si Kuya Jong. Sobrang ganda talaga ng boses niya. Sobrang sarap pakinggan, di ba? Bigyan niyo siya ng maraming kanta. Kasi sobrang, yung boses niya talagang ipagmamalaking sariling atin, di ba? Alright, kung kasi nyo ito guys, bigyan nyo malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa akin channel. You know? Bye po.